12th of February, also disraided a constituted authority of the party by addressing a world press conference. Many of you were there at Asokoro, where she disparaged the person of our national chairman and also brought the party to disrespect and to opprobrium. Not satisfied with the public humiliation, the national treasurer on the following day appeared on a Rise television program to further disrepute the party and misinformed millions of viewing public on internal affairs of the party against the rules and regulations of the party. Convinced that the national treasurer is on a mission to stifle life out of our very cherished party, an emergency NWC was summoned last night, yesterday, being the 13th of February. Arising from the meeting, the NWC set up a disciplinary committee to try the national treasurer for bringing the party to disrespect. At the meeting held Tuesday evening, February 13th, that yesterday, in Abuja, in exercise of its power as contained in the party's constitution, with the intention of a fair hearing, the NWC extended an invitation to the national treasurer to appear before it today, being Wednesday, on or before the hours of 10 a.m., giving her 12 good hours to make up her mind to appear, to discuss the development. The party regrets that the national treasurer shunned the invitation by the disciplinary committee to clear herself and her actions. We see this as an affront on the party leadership and millions of our members who are watching on how their party's image, which they have labored hard to build, is trolled by one ingrate. The disciplinary committee has, however, recommended to the National Executive Council of the party, to the National Working Committee, that Mrs. Oluchi Opara be suspended from the Labour Party for a minimum of 6 months. This suspension is with immediate effect. We sincerely regret this development, but it has to be. We, however, urge all our team members to understand that this is a price to pay for success. We will continue to reform the party until we achieve the best, good enough to drive our new Nigeria agenda. Thank you, and God bless you.